guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're making a japchae Korean noodles. Okay, so this is my 500 grams of pork belly. I put the dried mushroom and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and of course also 2 tablespoons of uh, sesame oil, and I put 1 tablespoon of garlic. So we're going to marinate this first, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We will just combine this together, and we will put one side or set aside this mixed. Okay. I bought this 1 pack of spinach, so everything I use. Okay, because this one, once you cook this, it will it looks a lot, but once it's cooked it will be looks very little actually. So I finish everything. I put on the small basin for me to wash these vegetables. 2 bell pepper, red and green. I use half of each and cut on the same length. One carrot. Believe me guys, this is very nice japchae that you will cook for your family. For sure it's your favorite, become your favorite and easy to cook. Yeah, this one is white onions, cut all the same types of cutting. I put some enoki, and some of the spring onions. It is better to cut all the same or in a uniform. See, it's very nice. So once you cook this and serve, is very looks more yumminess. Okay, this one is the water. I boiled my water with salt for me to prepare for. Okay, I'm going to use that water for spinach to cook a little bit, because later on we are going just to saute everything, all the veggie. So at first we will cook the spinach with a hot boiled water. After I blanch our vegetables, okay, I remove from the boiled water. Now I put my noodles, the Korean noodles, to cook this, because if you didn't cook, it's very springy or very chewy.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, so of course after cook, I remove from the heat and wash as the same procedure as we wash the vegetables. We wash with cold water so it won't further cook or overcook. Okay, so this one our procedure to cook our vegetables now, all those that we cut. Okay, so I just saute it. Just now you saw I just only put some onions and put everything one by one, all the veggies that we cut just now. Okay, after all combined and cook a little bit, I put again sesame oil and soy sauce. Okay, so you can just taste or try what is it salty enough, or you know. Then of course I have 3 eggs. The 3 eggs is for toppings, right? So I cook my eggs in a later. After I cook this, okay, I just remove all the vegetables. Then I put a little bit more of oil, maybe two tablespoons of oil. Of course, we will put the marinated pork that we marinate just now. Cook this on the same wok just now that we used for vegetables. Okay, after we cook the pork, I put back all the veggie just to mix it together. So actually you can switch or turn off the fire now, because anyway this already cooked. Now we will be putting the spinach back as well, and also our noodles we will put it now so that it will mix. But by then you can yeah, just now I said off the fire now, because we only need to mix everything. I put the sesame seeds. If you don't have, it's okay, you can just continue to cook. Then I also put in the spinach.
Finish na para tuloy-tuloy ng ating pag-mix. So okay na siya, luto na rin ito, kaya no. Okay, perfect.
We're cooking the 3 eggs just now. Everything I put white and the egg yolks. So fried egg. Okay, I'll just mix it with I put some salt. And we're done. That's it, guys. Now cook. It's already cooked, our japchae. So thank you guys for watching. Please share, and hopefully you learn something new and easy to cook this japchae. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Bye.